What's going on, y'all? What's up, Randall fam? We back with another one. I'm about to start the prank wars around here. Ain't nobody safe. Ain't nobody safe. Yeah, ain't nobody safe. Right now, I'm about to prank Nyla because she sleep. And it's about to be 12 o'clock. She always waking us up. So I'm about to hit her with that air horn. As soon as she wake up, I'm gonna hit her with the confetti popper. I'm gonna have her mama hold the camera while I do it. Precious, come on. Come on. She ain't gotta see you hold the camera. Come on. Shoot this in the air.
What is it?
Confetti popper.
She not.
No lacking around here, man. Get up. You know what I'm saying? This is how we doing it. Make sure y'all hit that like button. And make sure y'all subscribing. And stuff like that.
Don't forget you got tonight too.
You said what, friend? You gonna what?
Don't forget you got tonight.
What you gonna do? Huh?
Get out of my room. Get out of my room.
Come here, Nyla. What happened?
Get out of my room.
Come here, Nyla. Come here.
She closed the door on me and stuff. But yeah, though. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribing and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below for the next prank. It's officially prank wars around here. Ain't nobody safe.
Don't come in my room.
Huh?
Get out of here.
Why?
Come.
You always waking us up?
No.
No what?
Get out.
You mad?
Get out.
Is you mad?
Get out.
Then leave her alone.
But yeah, though, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be coming with some more pranks and stuff like that, so make sure y'all comment what y'all want us to see us do next. Other than that, man, everybody have a blessed Tuesday, productive Tuesday, and always staying positive. So make sure you subscribe. Give this video some likes, and we'll holla at y'all, man. We love y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Precious thing she said I'm about to get her too. I'm about to do the annoying girlfriend also prank on Precious. Watch this. Watch how fast she get. Precious! What's that?
Wait, that was a phone drink.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Why you out here?
Because I want to.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
So, can I get my confetti right there?
Why? What's making you want to stand outside?
Where's my confetti right there? Get it. Get it. Got it. That might be friend. That was a fun drink.
It was?
Yeah.
You was mad though.
It was fun.
It was fun.
Both of you are going outside.
I'm about to mess with you more. What's up?
Boy, let me out the camera. Hey, come on. Stop, would you? Come on, stop.
What?
Can we just relax without you having to do all of that?
What I'm doing?
Damon, stop, for real. You got to get very irritated.
What? Got some white stuff in it though.
Well, you do too. You got it everywhere. So why did you put the camera on me? I'm gonna wash my face.
No! No!
What's wrong, Damon?
No! No! No!
I'm trying to go in.
No.
You're doing too much.
The back door locked.
I don't care.
I told you how big that door is. Watch it. Where you going? Where you going?
You need to go get somebody's lawnmower and fucking cut this grass.
I know. I'm about to go knock on my dude. Wasn't? Oh, you got that basketball?
No, I'm playing basketball.
No, you not.
Come on.
All right, y'all. I told you I was going to New York for a second. I'll let y'all in a minute, man. I had to make my video extra long, you know. Yeah. I had to annoy her a little bit. Don't mind them sounds in the background. Just they're doing some work. So yeah, though, man. Annoy Precious for a little bit and got on her nerves for a hot second.
Leave me alone. Why don't you?
Alright, y'all. Y'all subscribe to my channel, man. Make sure y'all hitting them like buttons and stuff, man. We're Nyla. What's up, Nyla? They're not feeling me today. They were gonna try and prank me last night, but I beat them to the punch though. But yeah, though, subscribe, man. Thank y'all for watching. If you're new to the family, subscribe. Other than that, peace out, man.